1 2 check 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 check. Hello everyone. Just to grab some music to play, to open some chat to see, and we'll be ready to rumble soon, I hope. Ba-da-da-bum-bum. Ba-da-bum-bum-bum-bum-ba-da-da-bum. This is a nice one. This is known one. Jazz. I like it. Jack in the Box. Okay. Another one. Okay. Another one. No. In God we trust. Yeah. Sure. Banshuraga. So we are preparing for the stream. It will be multiplayer development. I mean, multiplayer part of the game that I'm developing, called Rest House. I like this one. It's okay. Because this one are favorites already, so we have it in the playlist. Okay, and we'll be ready to rumble soon. Did I say that already? Okay, come on. 2 more. 1. Okay. Second. And please give this one chance. Reggae. Okay, now let's copy those one. Cut. Say here playlist. Just some crazy number. Add a playlist. Okay. Now how long is? About 2, 4, 6, 10. Where can I see how long is the playlist? picture flow. It's nice. Here is the 47 minutes. Okay, not bad. Hey, pozdrav Stefan, pozdrav, merhaba, hey, inverse poop. Hello, greetings to you all. Thank you for coming here. So I was busy in the last few days. Was working on some wine festival. I mean, I was at TV. We were editing those TV shows, and inverse those question marks. What would you like to know? Just ask and I will try to answer. So we are here at this channel for more than this is third year streaming game development, and Respawn is what we'll be working on today, because it was working a while ago, about a year ago, and now it's not. So we'll try to check to solve that issue. But first I must to fill my glass of water. Stay tuned. Come back in a few seconds. Hola hop. So yeah, festival was fine. It was fine wine and everything, but I was in the editing room. I didn't try anything, so but it was good. Let's check it immediately. The game that Respawn, which is bothering me. Also, last time I was testing fixing achievement. Hope it is working now, but we can test it also. But first, to drink a little bit of coffee. Cheers. Oh, delicious. Hi, Aspella Servasi. Greetings. Pam. I need to get onto the net at my laptop, but where it is? Wi-Fi network. Merhaba. Unify. No. Bum 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 bum. Da-da-da, ba-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da. Okay, let's try now. Okay, let's turn off or disable Avast because he won't let us. Open and at the laptop I need to open Steam because maybe Avast is also a problem. Let's try. Oh no. Whoops, 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 whoops. Sorry about this, but my cloud drive is opening every time I start laptop, so let's try. To open the game. No. Let's try to open Steam. Let's try to open. Now it won't open Steam, and this, and we need only laptop for to check that respawn. So please. Hey, Witchfinder General, thank you. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. So this is a multiplayer environment. I mean, the most I like really to work on the environment, but I'm losing too much time with gameplay, which is also important, but yeah. And there is even better places down there if you saw. Yeah, so thank you. And still opening the Steam here at other comp. So multiple Steam client services opened. Okay, it's updating Steam. It will open it soon. Yeah, yeah, you're right, Witchfinder. It exactly like that, but also because I'm doing all the work, it's easy to stuck anywhere in the game development process, because now I'm in the multiplayer level. I thought that I will abandon that, but just got back to it and wanted to put some more elements there, so there are too many things that man can, I mean game developer can stuck into them through the development process, but we are going further. Just a second, because I want to open it on the laptop and he asked me for request. Okay, just to check this. It's too hot here and also rainy. So mail, we're checking the mail to start the game. Come on. Okay, they're fast. Come on. Grant access, grant access. But no, I just wanted to play it. Oof. No, he didn't understand me. Just a second, still having trouble with Steam. Let's go to Steam folder. So C program files. That at Steam, no, 86 Steam. Where is it? Bean or package. Where are the games located at Steam, in which folder? I forgot, I always forgot. Properties, local files. It's here. Okay, I got it. Opening the game. Just to copy root, I mean path, so I can get to it more quickly than now. And we're here. ready. So, but what are the numbers? What are the numbers? Hey Stefan, game is in the early access phase, so it can be reached at Steam. Game is playable at Steam, but it's not so you can access and play it from there, and or try to find it in some other bundles, but it's not yet finished, so I'm still working on it. I wanted to find these numbers just to write them down. So is it? Yeah. And now the part that I like the most. Interesting to see another development also working on a solo project, going to pick this up to show support. Wow! Whoa! Witchfinder, you're the man. So you're you're game developer. What are you working on, if it's not a secret? Let's play, try to connect. So yeah, game is at Steam and it's $4.99 depending where you playing from. Copy this number, so we'll host it. No, it's already. Hey, Stefan. Yeah, that was just some guy which played it, and the free version. Just put that in description. He said that Mark player should play this game, so I thought that will be great idea, but not sure in what phase, because maybe it's too early, but they can bring more publicity here. But PewDiePie also, if it's still at YouTube, if they didn't shut him down from YouTube. And Witchfinder, you're making FPS in ue4, great. Very early stages, still learning the ropes. Yeah. It's a long way, but interesting one. And we're all learning much. So let's try to jump in from another comp. We'll see here, we should be ready to jump to join, and other players can join now. Okay, we are there, our laptop. Let's kill this guy. Our laptop is there. If you see now, I will come closer. And now let's, yeah, what's my favorite aspect of development so far? The one that you mentioned first, which is like environment, 3D and building environment. That's my favorite part of development. I would like also to improve C++ skills, but have no time. Some player. Let's try to kill this player so that we can check respawn. They're about the same. PewDiePie has huge viewer base. Yeah, sure, the biggest one. Viewer base, Stefan. I'm making a VR for Belgrade. How do you mean? I mean, I already promoted VR version in Belgrade, VR version of this game. So, but maybe it's some other. Why I need to go down there to pick up the. Okay, here is the ammunition. Let's try to kill this guy, and he died. Okay, now did we respawn? Yeah, can't believe it, guys. This is beauty of game development, when you successfully do the job. I mean, finish the job, finish him. So what we did is player can hit and respawn immediately. I'm playing now from the server, so you cannot kill the server because he's God, and intentionally you cannot kill the God. But if you kill this dude, other you, he can. No better feeling, yeah, than seeing what you create come to life. No, but even better feeling is when you solve the problem, because this problem was bothering me for a few days, and in previous streams I tried to solve it, but was reading about it and finally find solution. So let's try again to kill him. We have no ammunition, but to be honest with you, I'm not sure how this multiplayer should work. There is no more ammunition here. This is just a bot, nothing else, nothing more. He just running around with a burning head. So just to pick ammunition there. Uh-oh. 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 Something is no good, is no good. Because that door should be, just to see, it should be, there should be trigger. Is there a trigger? Not sure, I will check it out, but yeah, I already checked it. Thank you, Witchfinder, but I optimized the level and there should be more houses and even look better, but something went wrong. I mean, we will check it down there, because you must optimize the level if you're going with the multiplayer. I mean, also without, but even more for the... Come on. Die. Uh-huh. Okay, and he's in. But how? And he's not losing his ammunition. God damn it. Something is not working. But respawn is working. Let's check. So what is the problem? And also escape is not working there. Which is not good. Let's try to check in that player. Ammunition decrease, okay. Line trace. What I am looking for is let's put it here. This ammunition. So first is escape. Escape should working. We go to open level blueprint, escape, exit, press. And if I say switch authority, so that only the player, the host can exit the game. Let's try. Yeah, we can do that now. What? I will now try again to join the game. So with the same address. Okay. Can you see me? Yes, that's other me. So let's try to shoot first this guy. Then the other one. Nothing. More ammunition, and he's dead. Hey man, Stark, hello, hello. Cool, you're from Russia? And you can also heal here. Let's try to respawn. Where is the player? Oh man. Hello to Russia. We didn't respawn and but now we can. Oh, sorry. Just a second. So there are many things that must be fixed here, like the one with the health bar. You picked it up. Don't let the negative reviews throw you off, man. Thank you, Wildfinder. Thank you so much for the support. So if you can always put some short good review to just pump it up, because yeah, negative reviews are from the people that are expecting AAA games from the one-man show in the early access phase. So hey Stefan, multiplayer is just player vs player. Multiplayer for now is it can be, I don't know, I didn't try how many players can be there, so players can, even people now can jump in. So Witchfinder, you can already jump in if you got the game, and we can test it together. I would like to add more things to multiplayer. Not sure exactly what. I mean, now is like arena battle, but and it's only one level, but that's why I'm working on it now to improve it. So thank you again, Witchfinder, so much. Really helped me a lot, that support. Just need to open again the Steam, I mean game. Oh god damn, something. I got it here. Just a second. My laptop just went to sleep, so I woke it up and need few seconds. Now it's loading the game and I will try to jump in. So Witchfinder, if you want, and if anybody want to jump in, he can open the multiplayer and just type those numbers 89.216.200.220. So let's try it. But I forgot those numbers here. How can I be sure? Now I need those numbers again. Please give me 89.216.212. And yeah, thanks a lot for the people which are supporting the game and buying it at Steam and subscribing and watching and subscribing and with YouTube and watching the streams, because you are helping so much, guys. Even the Patreon, I mean, slow internet. Okay, Witchfinder, no worry, I'm here almost every night. I mean, so the multiplayer can be tested. You can also host it if you are have open network, but I'll be probably hosting the game in the future from one other comp, so we will see. For now it's just testing, but there are 6 other levels that can be played like single player. So let's try to jump in. I'm trying to join the game. Nothing happened. Again. Let's try to. How do you mean, Stefan? No, it's just a username, which, like, Veštica, I think, and maybe you are the other finder, or not sure. You mean it's somebody who is finding some chicks, or I don't get it, man. Let's host. Okay. Yeah, we all wish that. Something is missing here. Let's try again. So, maybe enter. I hit enter at laptop. Maybe that was the problem. Don't hit. No. Eight, 9, 200. Yeah. Oh, just a second. Maybe I'm not at, yeah. Problem was internet, sorry, because my laptop is not automatically connecting to my net, so it just went down. Maybe it's time for this laptop to buy him a cooler for laptop. I'm not sure what are the prices. It just went down. What are the prices of those coolers for laptops? Really not sure. Maybe you are, yeah. We all been through it, Stefan. So we know how is it. And we always, almost always will be. So that can be interesting. But we are lucky to live in our country with, I mean, in every country there are beautiful women, but and we all think that our girls are most beautiful. I can't connect. We can connect. Yeah, we didn't catch that, so 89.2 60.212. Now save it. Open this game. Sorry, just oh no. Another problem is because Drive is opening and screw my net. It's Windows Drive, I think. So let's try again. And join the game. Come on, are you there? No. What is now? No. Some numbers are not good. No. Everything should be fine. Let's try to again. What? Are you using meshes to design your levels? Geometry here takes up a lot more resources. I use I'm making geometry, so yeah, it takes more resources, but if it's optimized you can Merry Christmas, Alexander. Right. Merry Christmas. Oh, oh, oh. So if you optimized the objects witchfinder, it should be fine. So let's try to join again. Oh, 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 ha, ha, ha. Alexander, hello, hello, hello. Let's try to join again. And we're in. Our player jumped in. So we try to kill him. Come on, die, 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 die. And he's dead. Now let's try to respawn. And he's again there. You see, it's working. I'm hitting him, but that hit and I want to see. Yeah, player can do the exit, and we also. So let's try again to see something. All good, bro. Yeah, sure, everything is fine in heaven. Everything is fine. ue4 has a great cooling system. If you make it, it's not the one like in CryEngine, but if you make and load and unload levels, it can be nice. Also, damn cool of your system. This man tackling this engine in calm manner is inspiring, Lord. This man tackling this engine in calm manner. Who do you think on? You mean the bot in the game, or so let's see there if we opened. Let's see. You see, now the level is opened, and this is the beauty with houses and those hands, and there is an animal over there up, but I don't want to spoil something. Let's go to check that player again. This is not the player, this is a bot. So the one will join the game. And this is the one. come on. No more ammunition. Come on. Okay. And there it is. Great. The good thing is that respawn is working, but now the health is not working. Health. Just to see the level there again. So I must say that I would like this game to be like not finish in the sense that it can be like Gary's mod. I didn't play that, but I would like that you see now I cannot escape. Weird. Why I can't escape? That's the problem. Escape was working and now it isn't. And with P, not even P. Oh god damn it. Just to see one more thing. If we can kill the player and then hit escape. Alexander, you say even with problems with multiplayer? How do you mean? Yeah, I mean in multiplayer it's not, even some problems can be good for a game. I mean interesting. Let's try it. It can be funny, like this killing of that man. Not killing, but destroying. Maybe it's a better word. No, there should be definitely, and this is the other ammunition trick. Oh, now I just realize that its health is working now. When we hit that other player now 1 or 2 times he will die, which is really interesting. One, two. You see? And if we hit R, he's again here. Can we hit escape? No. So escape is definitely not working. I mean, it's working in the first round. You mean to say that it's cool of you to stream this? This engine stresses me out. Oh yeah, thank you. Great to see someone calmly walking through it. Yeah, but you know, after 3 years you must be calm, because many strange things can happen, so you must around you also and in the engine. So yeah, you must be calm. So let's try. This definitely not working. Switch authority. Exit. P. Escape. The same one. Okay. Just to see if this will work. Because this switch has authority, should work, but so health is also working weird. But the main point is, what should players do? I mean, they should destroy each other, but what after and before? There should be more gameplay. Did you do the 3 modeling yourself? Yes, some models I modeled alone. I took many free models and also from Unreal, but don't bother model too much, because you will lose your precious time. I have experience with 3D modeling. I have Autodesk certificates for modeling and other things, and I worked in some studios as generalist, more as also as 3D, also as compositor, or so. Yeah, you bought a lot of assets. Yeah, you can find, and it's also really good, because you don't want to spend too much time on modeling. Here the main thing is that people play your game and that it is playable. That's what should only be the main thing. Playability. So let's try now. Okay, enter is working. Let's see now if we try to shoot that guy. We shoot him. God damn it. Not good. This too. Thank you, Alexander. Thank you, Alexander. Yeah. Yeah. I like the music, and those sounds from the game is a little bit maybe annoying, but you will used to it. So now we have a problem maybe with the UI, just to see something. Testing is the mother of game development. Test your game. Come on. What? Now we got more kill points. Okay. Now let's respawn, and other player is here. Second time my laptop just turned off, so something I mean probably the game is too much for him, but I want to see escape. So let's see one other thing. Thing that you notice is that you waste too much time building the lighting and geometry after minor changes. Yeah, you should have the main job is to export and package as quickly as you can, so people can test it and you can test it and play. You don't want to spend too much on that. Alexander, no problem. For what I forgot what I said. Good music, you said. You wrote down that music is good, and I say thank you for that compliment. I took that as compliment. So definitely, how much are the coolers? And what's the name? It's yes. Cooler. Just to see. Remember to answer my mail. Okay, I'll check it. You send it your mail. What? When did you send it? I think I answered you immediately if it's not now, but previously I answered. What I'm looking for? Cooler. No. €30, okay. Postolje za hlađenje. Aha. This one is even better. So about €10. Good. Pararam, pam, 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 pararam, pam. Yep. Open the game again. And also we should check if I can I would also like to update Steam version like this. Let's try to open project, config. It's probably default engine ini. Let's try it. Steam. Yep, those achievements. What if I let's I will export the game, package the game, and then I will upload it. So let's open it. Let's test it again. Damn it. We just test once more to be sure. Now you know what is the problem. The problem is Avast. Another 1 hour. So let's Witchfinder, your download will be done in 25 minutes more or less. Let me know if you want to test anything. Okay, we can test it. We can test it. I mean, I'm already testing it now, but thank you for that. Maybe I will need in the future when more of gameplay I add. But yeah, what is interesting is what happened when the player, like a gameplay. I'm not sure if I added god damn it. I'm not. Just to join the game, but I must be online. We are. Let's again go there. Type numbers in IP address. What is now? Why is it not working? Please tell me why. Tell me why. Okay, it's there. Kill him. Let's take another ammunition. Okay, he died. Let's respawn him. Okay. We're hitting him definitely. But we stayed without ammunition. Let's go to grab one. And oh god damn it, my other comp is too weak. Oof, I need another comp here for testing this shit. So I wanted to check the end of the game. Hey, Zdravo Joe. Zdravo Joe. Hello Jojo. Hello Joe. Long time no see here. Yo. Greetings, old friend. I'm just testing this multiplayer version and nothing is working. What? I cannot go. So let's not even escape is not working. Is there P? Where is P? Escape is not working. This one. Should the binding execute when the game is paused? I'm fine, Joe, thank you. Hope you're doing well also. School just started, and so there should be fun. So let's try to go to the end, to the level. That should be like gold, like the one who will be the first at that yes, fun. fun. We should build something here. Yeah. So escape is not working. Definitely. That's really bad. That's the worst thing. in the game when escape is not working in this level. Why? What is bothering you? Probably, is there any escape? Chat is also working. R respawn button server. There is no escape here. There is no escape in this game. What? This is in the level and in the character there should be some escape. Hey Joe, actually we succeeded in that. Respawn is working now and I'm going further with escape is now not working, so I'm trying to fix that. Escape button, I mean it is working, sometime is working, sometime is not. So congratulations, hit points. Let's check it here. What is actually happening there? Those points should be here. Who get faster? Let's try to check. So the main point is to get first to this hand, I think. Now it is working. Hero, hey Artem plays. Greetings. Hero of the day. I wanted to check current camera location. Yeah. Why should be played from here? Hello, Artem player. Artem Poland. Am I right? Not sure why he put me there. So if we go here, okay. Oh no, god damn it. So it's not easy to finish this level. Yeah. That's you, yeah. You have 2 channels now, one for playing games, second for development. Great. So, which has more viewers? Probably for playing games. Because playing games are most popular thing at these days, and at internet also. I like to watch somebody playing games also, but I don't know how to get to the end. This teleport is not working, no. And the escape button is not working. What is this? Why is it not working? That's not good. That's correct, Must spend your time on creating your game. Oh, that's great, good news. So how far did you went? How far did you go? I'm looking for this. Let's select viewport, yeah. You earn access to these events, okay? Game is about, there are few short movies that I did earlier before starting to this game develop, and the movies are few different stories based on the stories by some famous author, but one is called Falling Girl, about the girl which is falling from the skyscraper. But the game is, I want to connect those movies with the with the game, which I didn't succeed yet. So the game is probably about running around and trying to find the puzzle to get to the end of the level, and at the end of the level you're unlocking the movie, which is part of the feature movie that should give you some clues about what I wanted to say. And through the game you're finding those pieces of the puzzle, like mice from and there is flood in this level, which is also connected with the movie, but I don't want to spoil. So there are story elements that I need to connect it more, but for now it's a first person puzzle and you're unlocking that stories and the movies. So about the man who is stuck in the world of the rest house. But I definitely need to work more on those story elements. I mean to express it, because players are needed, and there are some, but you need to give it more precisely and to the players. I was thinking about to give players who won the game. Player who got first to, let's see, trigger 10. Teleport. Let's go. Yeah, no. Why is that? I want to play in current camera location. Why is it throwing me there? So I'm testing teleport now, which should bring me up there to okay. Let's try again. And now it's not working. Great. Why is not working? Why? Hey, thank you, Haxor. Thank you for following it at Live Edu. Great. It's great. So again, at the end of this multiplayer level, okay, we're here. Oh, god damn it. It's not working. That thing with this is not working. Hey Joe, yeah, those movies, they have subtitles in English. For now, they have subtitles. We should bring this one here. Because, I mean, to make it more easy for the player to reach to the end of the level. Why is this happening? I want to play from the current camera location. Why is it giving me? I need to jump over there to be able to go further. No, I'm definitely falling and falling and falling. Joe, you saw the title from previous live stream said Markiplier has to play this game. Where you? yeah, I already told that one of the players just wrote that Markiplier should play this game, but I'm not sure yet. Maybe later when it be more ready for it. I mean, it's not hilarious for him yet, but yeah, it can be bring, as I said, really great publicity. Nikki Van Sevdon, yeah, this is Unreal Engine. This is Unreal Engine 4 that I am working in, and I want to bring the player up there, but I'm not sure why this teleport is not working every time. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Sometimes it's working. I mean, I think first time it should work. Let's try it. Let's try it. Come on, teleport, please. You see, now it's not working. In your opinion, Markiplier should play this when this game is finished or very close to being finished. Yeah, Joe, you're right. I think also that. So that was just a joke because, or should I say clickbait, because that guy just told me, write me a year ago that Markiplier should play that game. I saw that message again and I thought that it can be interesting title, because I'm running out of titles, so any clickbait title should be good one. But you're right, that's what I think also, that those YouTube mugs should try this game when it's close to finish. What is this? What should I do? This teleport should work. It must work. Get player chart character. Yeah, I made it till the end, which is really hard. Yeah. Come on now. Nothing happens. How's that? I finished the game and nothing happened. Oof. Trigger swear. Just to see. Thank you, Witchfinder. Great. Thank you so much for that and for purchasing it. Why is that delay? Oh, god damn it. That should be. That should definitely be the end, but what if I again? Let's try it again. So last play for tonight. Okay. Should I make it for the end? No, because there is no second time. Can I jump there? No. How to go there? Oh, god damn it. No way, Jose. No way. No way. So I think I screw it up. Yep. Annoying laugh. Come on, please, 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 please. Oh, it's really hard. It's really hard for me. I don't know about you, but this is disaster. I'm totally sweat. So the award must be bigger, better, not just. And there is no award here. Fuck. Fuck. No, no. Will there be voice acting for the person you play? You mean in the multiplayer, Evening Joe? Don't know what is the problem, because we're triggering this sphere probably. In the multiplayer, I don't know what to say. I really focused on the gameplay, and maybe later. I mean, multiplayer is still a question, because I'm losing precious time trying to make some multiplayer experience, but we will see. I would like it to stay, I mean, multiplayer version, but I'm not sure till the end, and voice acting is later, coming later, so I will see. Hey! Vietnam recitative, hello, hello, hello. Ryler, Ryler, Ryler. Greetings. So why is this thing not... There is some problem, and I don't know why. Some collision maybe. Let's just save location. And now try to move it. Try to move it, move it. It is working. So the problem is probably collision. It's probably collisions. Because of this hand. Let's see collisions here. So collisions are the problem in many cases. I mean, you cannot see them, but you can just hope that they're working fine. I think now it should work. Yeah. So that should be the end of that level. I must figure it out. What players should do more here. I mean, there is chat also in the game. So yeah, that should be it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Thank you for purchasing the early access game at Steam. I really appreciate that. Thank you for following and all other kind of thanks. So love you all. Stay cool, stay in the school, and see you soon. Stay creative. Should I host somebody? To the game development? Let's host him. Just to see. Yeah, that's the guy. Okay, cheers.